starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour. And we've got our first order. This is going to be McDonald's going 5.5 miles.
Hi, will you be using a mobile app today?
No, I've got a DoorDash pickup.
All right, go ahead and pull to the very last one. No, I'm just waiting on the hash brown.
Thank you. You know when there's a big truck behind you that's like lifted so their headlights are right in your mirrors? And also their headlights are brighter than the sun? Yeah, that was me for a couple minutes just now. Total for that order was $8 and change. Not a bad start. Just got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee. $13 going just under 9 miles. Pretty high on the mileage on this one, but the last order left me kind of out of the way, so this is bringing me back into civilization.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Just got the next order. This is a Subway going 4 miles. Hello. Just gotta pick up for Dylan. Yeah. Does that not drive you crazy?
Oh yeah, it only starts when the system restarts, so
Oh yeah.
I can only deal with it for a couple hours. I leave at 6, but
Yeah.
I'm not late, so I
Gotcha.
gotta deal with it for a little bit longer.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We are missing some chips. Hi. Hi. Lead the way. Pretty good sip on that one. And I got to pet the kitty. Hopefully you guys could see it. I don't know if the camera was aimed correctly. Total for that was $8 and change. Man, why you gotta bring me down? Ruin my good mood. We got a Wendy's going 3.5 miles. They just gave me an add-on going less than a mile. I mean, usually that's a good thing, right? Double my potential profit. But then again, this is Wendy's, so probably not.
Hello, welcome to Wendy. I can help you.
I just have 2 DoorDash pickups.
Okay, give me one moment. Okay, I think that you will need to park because it's 2 orders, and I just check in the orders. And just wait the drinks, and then you can park.
Okay. Oh, gotta love Wendy's.
Can you parking, please?
She told me to get the drinks and then park.
When the bring the order, bring the drink.
Okay. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. Surely there's a better use of my time than this. It's been 5 minutes since I parked. Probably 15 minutes since I arrived. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut. Total for those 2 ended up being $14. Not worth it. I don't care what you say. That is not worth it to me. Next up, we've got a Muchas Gracias going 8 miles. Bro, come on. Oh wow, huge tip on that one. What the heck? Total for that was $16 and change. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's going to be going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Give it up for the no tip. Total for that was $4. We've got a stacked Victor Ricos. I believe it said it was going 4.5 miles for both of them. Total for those two was $14. Okay, those were really good. And we got the next one right away. This is going to be Starbucks going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $4. Not amazing, but it only took me like 10 minutes from start to finish, so. Next order up, we've got an IHOP going 3.5 miles.
And I gotta have you sign this for Jay. There's that for him, and you're all good to go.
Thank you. Hello. Morning. There you are.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You as well, thank you. Oh wow, huge tip on that one. Total for that ended up being $12. Thank you very much. And we got the next order right away. This is Muchas Gracias going 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Oh no. This is going to a hospital, isn't it? There you are.
Thank you so much.
Yep, you have a good day. Thank you. Total for that was $6 and change. I was expecting it to be a lot more annoying. It's not actually at the hospital, or maybe it is. Maybe it's just like a different block. I don't really know how it works, to be honest. But it was off to this side, so it was a little bit more quiet. Next up, we've got an Angels. This one's going 6 miles.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. The other thing was in here, right?
The red velvet?
Yes.
I believe so.
Yeah.
You put the red velvet in there too, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Take
Thank you.
care.
You too. Total for that order was $9 and change. This is Crave Grill going just under 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $9. Just got the next order. This one's going to be Tonellis Donuts and Cream going 6 miles. Hello.
Hi, Nick.
I just had the pickup.
Pickup?
Yeah.
Be careful with that drink barrier. It's kind of flimsy.
Gotcha. Thank you. Of course, this is going upstairs. Total for that order was just under $7. Wouldn't call it a good order, but I did get to pet that cat, so. Next order up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one's gonna be $13 going 4 miles.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Have a great rest of your day.
You too. All right, I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 10:26. Current total is $131, and if I get the full pay on that last order, should bring it up to, I think, $141. Had a bunch of really good tips today. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.